Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to clear Google Chrome browser history from Android device. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Google Chrome browser and click on this three dot icon to the upper right hand corner and tap on history, and here you'll find your history. Now click on clear browsing data, and here you will get two options. One is basic and another is advanced. So if you tap on basic, here you'll find three options. Select all this from here and go to advanced, and from this advanced options you can select saved password, autofill, form data, site settings, and also you can select the time range from this list. You can select last 24 hours. So select here and now click on clear data and click on clear. So this is how we can clear Google Chrome history from Android device.